Welcome everyone. If x is equal to minus 5 plus 2 root over minus 4, then find the value of x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. First consider x that is equal to minus 5 plus 2 root over minus 4. We have to find out the value of expression x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. So first we remove this root over sign and solve this question. To do so, we express this 2 root over minus 4. Now if we square both sides, then automatically root over symbol will be removed. So squaring both sides, now writing squaring both sides, that is x plus 5 that of square is equal to 2 that of square. After expanding x plus 5 whole square, what will be x square 10x 5. This will be 2 square is equal to 4 and root over minus 4 that of square is equal to minus 4. So ultimately minus 16. Now after more simplification, plus 25, whenever minus 16 will be transposed to the left, it will be plus 16. Now adding with this 41 that is equal to 0. Now name it this equation number 1. Now write the expression, given expression that is which is to be find out. Now x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4, or not or, writing equal to, we will express this in terms of this because the value of this is equal to 0. So writing x4 is equal to, in this way, x square into, first writing x square this expression plus 10x plus 41. Now we will adjust. Adjust means what is written extra term we will subtract. When multiply x square into x square into x square x to the power 4 plus 10x cube. It is not here. So minus 10x cube. X square into 41 minus 41x square. Next the terms, write 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. Now simplify. Then we will do again. This is equal to 0. We make cancelled out. So x square into 0 writing here. Better understanding for. Into 0 minus 10x cube plus 9x square minus x cube minus 41x square plus 35x square, so minus 6x square minus x plus 4. Again apply the above as done before. This is 0 minus writing x cube by this way, that means x into x square plus 10x plus 41. Now adjust writing the terms. Whenever these will be multiplied, x into x square, x cube minus x cube, here minus x plus 10x multiplied minus 10x square minus x into 41 minus 41 x. Now we will write plus 41 x, here minus, here will be plus, here minus 10x square, that will be plus, other remaining terms minus 6x square minus x plus 4. Now simplify again, this will become 0, so writing 0 10x square minus 6x square, that is 4x square plus 41x minus x plus 40x plus 4. Now simply putting the value of x square from 1. Here writing x square plus 10x plus 41 is equal to 0. This is from equation 1. So x square is equal to minus 10x minus 4 minus 40x, 40x will get cancelled, so minus 160. Therefore the value of is minus 160. If you are benefited by watching this video, please share your friends. Thank you for watching this video.